I teach you how to create a structure with hybrid techniques using Black Legacy products. Every professional job has an impeccable cuticle. That's why we're going to start with this part. When we have the cuticle ready, we are going to start the process of structuring a reverse. We are going to use the Baby White 1 Cover Acrylic Powder from the Beautiful Diamonds collection tones to achieve this combination of sparkles on the tip. I want to use a baby boom technique on this reverse, which will be combined later with a mix of pointed decorative elements. Why? You can use the structuring products you want to create a nail. That's what creating a hybrid technique is all about. I'll encapsulate the tip with hard gel from Legacy Nails to achieve a translucent and precious effect. It is a matter of having a good product and the correct technique to achieve finishes as perfect and beautiful as this one.